Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are safe and healthy. I, Ajit Singh from Colonel's Battleland Public School, will teach you computer of grade 3. So, dear students, this is a second part of chapter number 2 hardware and software. So, students, in this chapter, we will learn about software is that part of a computer which cannot be touched to make the hardware work. We need to have software in it. Let us understand software with the help of following examples. Children, all of you must have seen and used a music system. The parts like speakers, CD and DVD, etc., which you can touch are hardware. Can you touch the songs or music recorded on a CD or a DVD? No, because that is software. A CD is a hardware, but the song or movies which are stored in are software as they cannot be touched. Likewise, a TV is a hardware and the programs that you watch on it are software. Let's go back to the working of a computer. Which of the following steps is done by the software? Input, process, output. It's a working of a computer. Yes. Processing is done by a software. It takes the input from the user, process it and displays the output on the monitor. Thus, we can define software is a set of instructions given to the computer to do a particular work. There are two types of software. First, system software. Second, application software. So, students, let us talk about system software. But we have a quick quiz. Who acts as an operating system in your school? So let's discuss about system software. It is a set of programs that controls the overall working of a computer. Operating system is a part of system software that makes a computer run. It manages all inputs and output operations. It also manages the link between the different part of a computer and the user. Let us understand the operating system with the help of an example. Students, take the case of a car. It has a petrol, engine and wheels. But it is not moving. When will the car move? It will move only when the driver started. So, the driver is the operator of the car. Similarly, operating system is the driver of a computer, which makes it run. Without an operating system, a computer cannot work on its own. MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Unix, Linux, Mac OS are examples of some popular operating system. Let's know about function of operating system. It controls the overall working of input and output devices, provides the login password to prevent the misuse of a computer, keeps the track of information regarding creation, deletions, transfer and copying of files, helps to run the application software like Paint, MS Word, Sketch, etc., allocates memory to various programs whenever required, Let me tell you about application software. The software that helps you to do specific type of work is called application software. Let us understand this with the help of an example. What can you do with the juicer in your house? You can only extract juice of fruits and vegetables with it. This indicates that you can do a specific type of job with the machine. There are different types of application software that help in doing specific types of jobs. Let us have a glance on some of the application software. A word processor helps us to create professional looking documents quickly and efficiently. It provides many features to change the appearance of text in desired manner. For example, Microsoft Word, WordPad, OpenOffice.org, Writer, etc. Next, presentation software. It lets you create slides, charts, animations, and video clips in lively manner. Example, Microsoft PowerPoint, OpenOffice.org, Impress, Adobe Flash, etc. Spreadsheet programs help you to perform calculations and displays the data in the form of chart to analysis in a better way. For example, Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123, OpenOffice.org, Calc, etc. Other multimedia software, it is used to create video, animation, sound, graphics, and text with a high degree of interaction. For example, game software, Windows Media Player, Windows Movie Maker, etc. Other graphic software. This software is used to create images such as charts, graphs, photographs, logos, cartoons, and much more. For example, Paint, Photoshop, AutoCAD, Dreamweaver, etc. Desktop publishing software. This application helps you to combine both text and graphics features to the design professional documents like newsletter, books, magazines, etc. For examples, CorelDRAW, Adobe InDesign, Quark Express, etc. So let us quick recap. The two basic parts of computer are hardware and software. The parts of a computer which you can touch are called hardware. A group of instructions given to the computer is called software. System software is a set of programs that controls the overall working of a computer. The software that is designed to do a specific type of work is called application software. Okay, thank you students to watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep it up and subscribe this channel immediately.